and a donut at the Hello Kitty cafe. "Oh yes please," she said, and they jumped into their car and off they went. On the way, they spotted the train racetrack. "Come on, let's have a race." So they stopped and got out of the car. "The loser can pay for the coffee," said Princess Anna. Queen Elsa got into the blue Thomas train and Princess Anna into the pink Hello Kitty train. They were off. Thomas was faster than the Hello Kitty train, but being on the outside track, his track was longer. Peppa's Palace marked the halfway point, and it was really close. Coming into the final bend, Thomas was just in front. A win for Queen Elsa! "I really need a coffee now," she said, and they got out of their trains and walked to the nearby Hello Kitty cafe. They both had a large coffee and a donut. When they finished, they got into their car to go home.